Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica achieved a current account surplus for the first time in a number of years. Now, the details were shared at an Economic Program Oversight Committee EPOC press briefing Tuesday morning. EPOC Chairman Keith Duncan says for the 2022-2023 fiscal year, the country's current account surplus was valued at $352.4 million.
This surplus marks a milestone achievement representing the first time in decades that Jamaica has not reported a current account deficit. This has been driven by the robust recovery in tourism and travel, increased exports, and continued strong inflows from remittances.
The performance continued into the current fiscal year, which started in April. For the first quarter, Jamaica's current account surplus was $241 million.
This represents a $227 million increase over the $13 million surplus recorded for the same quarter in financial year 2022-2023. Right? This quarterly performance was driven by increases in the services account, which is underpinned by tourism and travel, increases in exports, and a increase in export of $50 million and a $105 million reduction, $105 million reduction in imports.
But can this be maintained?
If we continue to see strong performance in tourism and travel, if we continue to see exports, especially in the manufacturing area, continue to increase, we should be able to maintain our current account surplus for the first time in decades. And that means Jamaica is lending to the rest of the world.
Let's head to the foreign currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $156.46. $115.26 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $195.86, while the euro is going for $171. The JSE index declined by 4,154 points, while the junior market index lost 35 points. Among the 28 winners were Caribbean Cream, Proven Group US dollar shares, Knutsford Express Services, Kingston Properties, and JFP. The 59 losers included ISP Finance Services, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Blue Power Group, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, and Consolidated Bakeries. Now 17 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading Tuesday morning. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.